Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today I am going to demonstrate and I'm going to show you how to prepare and do a self or ruqyah treatment. This means anyone who can recite Quran, they can prepare for themselves a ruqyah treatment and they can treat themselves and they can cure themselves with the help and permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they can help themselves and their families, inshallah. So firstly, we must gather a few products. So we must have drinking water, at least 1 to 2 liters of drinking water. We must have olive oil or black seed oil or a mixture, or we can use cream, a lotion that we use on the body. We recommend using the olive or the black seed oil because there's many benefits mentioned in the Sunnah of Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We also can use Zamzam water as well, inshallah. We can also add bakhur or incense sticks. We can add medicine if people they have their own medicines and prescriptions from the doctors. You can put all of this on to one table. Then we suggest getting a bowl and a jug and a bucket. So you will firstly empty the drinking water into the jug. This is because when we recite the Quran and we prepare it for Ruqyah, the Quran, the vibration of the recitation must touch the products, must touch the water and the oil. So we suggest emptying the drinking water in a jug, emptying the olive oil into a bowl, and together with this, you must have a bucket with pipe water. This water is what you are going to use for the Ruqyah bath and for spraying the house and the business, etc. So we suggest maybe 3 to 5 liters of pipe water. So when you have all of this prepared, you will place them directly in front of you, like I have here, the oil, the drinking water, and the pipe water. And then you are ready to prepare and to begin your preparing your Ruqyah medicine or your Ruqyah or your Quranic treatment that you will use. So the water, it is for drinking. The drinking water, it's for drinking. So every day the patient or the person will drink 1 to 2 liters of water. The oil and the cream, it is for massaging the body, especially where there is pains. And the pipe water, it is to do the Ruqyah bath, following the rules. You can't allow the water to go in the dirty places and the sewers. It must be in a clean place, and you must wash yourself, and you must let the water dry on your skin. Okay, and you will do all of this daily. The person must do this recitation daily onto these products until their symptoms go away. Now I must inform you, this is a general self-ruqyah treatment. It means that many persons, their symptoms will go away or their symptoms will reduce. In some cases, or in many cases, the problems may remain. This means that the person needs to do a prescribed or a specific ruqyah treatment. They must get a diagnosis from a Raaqi or a Shaikh who is knowledgeable in Ruqyah, and he will diagnose you and he will know what verses to give you and what treatments to give you to do a specific Ruqyah treatment. So this is just a general Ruqyah treatment for anyone and for everyone to do at home and for themselves and their families. So let's begin. Step 1. After gathering all the products and you have it prepared in front of you, you must begin by making intention and dua, supplicating to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you can make a specific intention, or you can use the dua from the sunnah of Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you can make the dua, "O Allah, I supplicate to you, O Allah, I seek refuge in you, O Allah, from the jinns, from the sihr, from the witchcraft, from the evil eye, from the envy. O Allah, I ask you for protection. O Allah, I ask you for shifa. O Allah, cure my body. O Allah, remove the obstacles and the sihr in my life and in my family and in my house and in my children and in my rizq and my money and my work." You can make specific dua and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for cure and for shifa. After you make your dua and your intention, you will begin your recitation of Ruqyah. So the Quran, all of the Quran and dua and the names of Allah, it is all used for Ruqyah. But they are basic fundamental verses for Ruqyah. This is Surah Al-Fatiha, this is Ayatul Kursi, and this is the Triquls. This is the most basic. Today I will demonstrate quickly the most basic. But there are other verses. There are prescribed and recommended verses to add. So for example, you can add together with these basic verses, you can add what we call the verses of Musa alayhi salam. It is the verses in Surah Al-A'raf, Surah Al-Yunus and Surah Al-Taha, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned the incident and the story of Musa alayhi salam against the sorcerers of Fir'aun. So you can add these verses as well. And there are many more verses you can add on dua. In the link below, I will put a recommended or a prescribed manzil or treatment verses that you can use for general treatment, and this will be sufficient that you can use on the products for your treatment. So after you have prepared all of this and you have the verses and you are ready to recite, then you begin reciting. After each section of verses, you will blow gently into the water or with some dry spittle into the water, and this will put the Quran onto the water so you can use, inshallah. Also, you should make intention for yourself to remove the jinns and the sources on yourself, and you can blow on yourself and wipe, inshallah. So I will demonstrate very quickly a short way to do this, inshallah. أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. Alhamdulillah. So this is a short quick demonstration how you can prepare the water. Also, you should recite the verses many times. In some cases 3 times, 7 times, 11, 14. The more you recite, it's more stronger the ruqyah will be. Okay, so this is how you prepare the ruqyah treatment, inshallah. And you must drink daily, you must massage your body daily, you can spray your house, and you can take the bath, and this will remove and reduce your symptoms from your spiritual afflictions, inshallah. So stay tuned and we will do another video about specific and prescribed and professional treatment for people who can't prepare the self-treatment, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.